Definitely a mixture of both. And I think ultimately SOPs are in place to do two things. The first is to, yes, make things more efficient and hopefully make more profit, but also they're there to keep people safe. So letting your team members know those two reasons, efficiency and safety, but also that they are the standard you expect and you're the one that's got to hold the standard.
Yeah, and I need an SOP for this gimbal, given that it just flicked around halfway through that video. There you have it, SOPs.
The owner sets the standard.
Yeah, the owner sets the standard.